A tessellation or tiling is the covering of a surface, often a plane, using one or more geometric shapes called tiles with no overlaps and no gaps. Okay, I think I'll just jump right in and try to do something complicated for my first tessellation. I'm using YouTube videos as my how-to, and there are lots of them. I was much neater about this process than it looks like here because I forgot to film it and I had to take apart the little design and recreate it so you could see how it came about. It got a little messy here, but the original pattern was much tidier. At the end of this video, I'll give you a little example that better shows how you can create a pattern for this. But basically, this was the pattern that I was working with. going to ruin something to get to something else. And I don't like the uniformity. I'm just going to go quickly under the sink with this, not too much. And then I'm going to let it run around. And hopefully get some of the water off before anything pools. Alright, I already like that look better. Be careful not to have too much water on this while it dries. Or look at my sink now. Oh, I'm gonna have to rewash all those dishes. Story of my life. Alright, let's go put this somewhere dry. Alright, we're not at all done. We have a lot of pen work to do. Okay, make your first pattern and then cut it. And then tape it. And then make your second pattern. Draw your second pattern. And cut it. And rearrange it. And tape it. And that's my pattern. Or a pattern I could use. It's not the pattern I used for the other one. I might do this one tomorrow because I had so much fun today.